Find or read reviews that people are talking about Annabella 15.6-inch laptop computer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. High-performance laptops. This compact and lightweight laptop harnesses the power of the Intel Celeron N5095 processor, capable of operating at a frequency of up to 2.9 GHz. It offers enhanced safety and swifter performance compared to its predecessors. The perfect synergy of high performance and lower energy consumption ensures the notebook runs reliably, smoothly handling a myriad of tasks. Versatile connectivity. This ultra-thin laptop computer seamlessly fits into your backpack for on-the-go convenience. With a range of interfaces and high-speed wireless transmission, including Bluetooth 4.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, 1-port Mini-HDMI, 1-port USB 3.0, 1-port USB 2.0, 1-port Type-C port and port 3.5mm headphone jack. 15.6-inch IPS display. Featuring a 15.6-inch FHD, 720p, IPS high-definition screen, delivers vibrant images, incredible detail, and eye protection features, enhancing your comfort during viewing or work sessions. Revel in richer colors, crystal clear details, and broader viewing angles, whether for movies, e-learning, or video meetings. Windows 11 system. Windows 11 operating system, offering enhanced safety and speed compared to its predecessors. The combination of high performance and low power consumption ensures smooth and reliable operation for all your computing needs. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description.